Baby Takes.
Hey there, art enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're buzzing with excitement as we dive into the fascinating world of insects. Get ready to spread your artistic wings as we draw and color a delightful honeybee. So, grab your art supplies, and let's get started. Let's start by sketching out the basic shape of our honeybee. Picture its round body, striped abdomen, delicate wings, and fuzzy head. Take your time to capture the unique features of this adorable insect. Now, let's add some details to our honeybee. Think about the texture of its wings, the patterns on its abdomen, and the tiny hairs on its body. Let's make our honeybee look as realistic as possible. Time to add some color. Choose vibrant yellows and blacks to bring our honeybee to life. Don't forget to add some subtle shading and highlights to give our insect depth and dimension. Remember, every honeybee is unique, so don't be afraid to add your own flair to your artwork. Let your imagination guide you, and have fun with it. And there you have it, our beautiful honeybee ready to fly off the page. We've captured the beauty and intricacy of this fascinating insect in our artwork. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to subscribe for more art adventures. Until next time, happy drawing, happy coloring, and may your creativity continue to buzz.